Hi, this is a shout out video, and I'm giving a shout out to Cool Girl 101 Kiki 100 Cat Ice Cream. It's in Canada, maybe the planet, because she was nice to me. Like, these are the messages. Why you're sad? Tell me. And I said, what? Why are you sad? Tell me. And I said, tell you what? And then I said, because I got hacked on my other account. And she said, I feel so sad for you. And I said, thanks. And then she gave me an autograph. And I said, thank you, with a smiley face. And then I gave her an autograph back. You are nice. You are nice. And then she sent me a best friend request. Look. And I said yes. Yeah.